Dodge and Row, and our camera woman here.
Cecilia Venom.
And today we got packages. Like I told you guys during our last video reaction that I had ordered a lot of different stuff, and we was waiting for them to come. I was not expecting them all to come in one day. This is most of it is all here. We still have a couple more photo cards and like scrolls and posters and stuff. We'll start with this little one here first. I won this on Listia. She'll explain to you what Listia is if you want.
Yeah, it's kind of like eBay, and you do like offers and get free credits, like
message from the
points.
seller.
Oh.
So what I got her was this infinite card. It's kind of really tiny. It's cute because it came in this.
Oh, one of those tattoo, those vending machines.
That was the smallest of the packages, so there's that.
Yeah.
I guess I'll do the poster next.
Yep.
I have a poster here since it's her favorite group person. I guess she should.
Yes, it's one of my favorite groups, Lita.
Double S 501. I haven't ordered a poster for these guys for a long time, but I usually get posters from these from eBay, and the seller's name is 4kpoppers, and they do a lot of fan-made posters, and they're really awesome and really high quality, and I haven't ordered from them in a while, so I felt kind of bad. So I usually do order from them a lot, but I decided to get this poster because I need a new poster in my room, and I was like, I need a new poster. So I was looking around, and I was like, this one is just dashing. Just dashing of Kim Jung. Very dashing. So we called this poster the Dashing.
The Dashing.
The Dashing. And they're based in California, so their shipping
A U.S. seller.
is very fast.
Their usual time for us is about 4 days.
This took 5 days because of Sunday.
Yeah, the weekend.
The weekend, so it took 5 days to get here.
But their normal time is like 4 days.
This I ordered from eBay as well, and it was from a seller. I forgot their name, but I ordered more than one thing from here.
We'll be sure to put their name in the description.
So, what's going on here? Okay, so I ordered face masks, yes. Several of them. This is my Got 7 face mask. And this is my sisters and my little brother. So Cecilia and our little brother have matching masks, and I'll open his to show you. He's 3, and he wanted this mask so bad because Chanyeol wore it, and ever since he saw him wear it, he really, really wanted it. So I ordered him this, and it smells quite funny. Smell that?
Oh yeah, it smells like tire.
It smells like tire. So for this is my Got 7. Got 7. And it's pretty cute actually. Very thick as well. And it's different from our EXO ones that we got because these ones are kind of glossy.
Yeah, the EXO ones are kind of like. What is it like?
Also ordered a. It's like fabric, I guess you could say. I also ordered a shiny Taemin Sherlock bracelet. And it's supposed to be black, but this is not black. I want to say it's off gray.
Yeah, it is like the picture. It appeared black, but if you could, compared to our chipped fingernails, it is not black.
I have a BAP bracelet that is very black, and this is off gray. I picked the color black. This is off gray, but this all surprisingly, you guys, only cost me $2.
All of this in this, this.
So there is another package that I got from all K-poppers, and this is a back to school thing that they were doing. I told you guys on eBay they're doing a back to school surprise gift, and what you do is you go and you pick your favorite group, and then you order it, and they like have some ranging from $1, $3, $6, $10, and they send you a random thing of that group of the value of that price that you picked. So I picked about $3, and I picked Vicks, so hopefully they sent me Vicks.
Yeah, we can only hope.
They are based in China, and this took about really fast. Actually, it took it 7 days to arrive in America within the weekend. So yeah, I don't know what. Oh, I got a beanie. I got a Vicks beanie. That is so darn cute. Because you guys all know I wear that EXO one too much.
Yeah, if you go to her Instagram, that's all she is wearing is that damn EXO beanie.
A Vicks beanie. That is amazing.
Like, that's the last thing you needed. No!
I had no idea what it was because it was a surprise thing. And they were like, we'll send you a random gift.
That's
so,
cool. What other groups do they have?
Vicks. They have every group, actually. You guys can get anything ranging from Big Bang, Super Junior, Shiny EXO, to B1A4, BAP. You can get girl groups as well. They just have them all listed. So, again, we have that beanie. Where did the card go?
Oh, I set it up here because I didn't want it to get lost. It's so
Face
tiny.
mask. Of course, I got 2 of these. Bracelets. My poster. So this was
Dog
just,
barking.
yeah, our dog was barking. This was just a small little haul of stuff, and there's still more stuff coming, and we still have to do more of that.
Ah, there's tape on them.
Put it down. We still have to do more unboxings of more to come, but since it's been about a week and they came just in time for our, videos every week. Message from all K-pop, if you guys know. There goes their information.
It is all K-popper and not all K-pop. They're not associated with that
whatsoever. This
it's
is
just all K-popper.
All K-popper.
I
This
believe,
is
right?
their eBay store. Stuff listed. If you guys are interested in getting, a random thing.
Yeah.
This is from Listia, eBay. I got 2 of those, of course. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And this little guy is adorable, by the way.
Is it a member of GOT7?
I wouldn't know, but it kind of looks like Mark, so I'm going to call him Mark.
I'm not familiar with GOT7, so.
Well, it looks like Mark, but then it kind of looks like JR.
I don't know.
You guys tell me what you
Please
think
tell us.
this is.
We don't want to sound stupid.
I don't know, but I'm going to name him Mark because I said so. This is Mark. No, wait, no. He kind of looks like Bam Bam. Now that you think about it, he's Bam Bam. Wait, no, because Mark always has that kind of arm thing on. I don't know. I don't think he's someone from GOT7, but if so, then what do you guys think? He's cute, though. I'm keeping him. And that's it. So we do have more video reactions to look forward to be doing. We have Vix's subgroup, and she's Leo Bias. I'm Robbie Bias, so that's going to be pretty interesting.
Yeah.
And I don't think there's much more videos.
Sorry, it's all shaky.
We didn't have time to do Beast's comeback. Sorry. And Hana's making a comeback, so we'll be looking forward to do her reactions, whatever you guys like to see. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.
Bye.